Well, here we go, a short little description here as far as survival food storage containers. Doesn't even have to be for survival, just something you want to store your food in. A little bit easier to store your food in smaller containers than it is 25 or 50 pound bags. Now, this here is good for bulk when you buy them bulk at various food storage warehouses. Buy them online, or you go down to the farmer's market, Sam's Club, whatever it is available to you. It's going to vary from different places in the country, different places in the world. There's a lot of places in the world, they just don't have any food. I understand that. Okay, what we're looking at here is simple containers. You know, the things that you get to drink out of, soda pop, tea, whatever, these here are food grade containers. How do you clean these? It's easy. You take the label off of them. You put really hot water in them once you've already drank the container, the contents, and put the cap on, shake that baby up real hard. You'll pour it out. Do that 2 or 3 times. You set it off to dry, and there you go. It's as simple as that. Food grade container. Now you can use anything that's food grade to store food in, obviously. Now here are containers. Some used to have juice in. Here we have pinto beans, lentils, rice, sugar, wheat flour, more pinto beans. We even have, obviously, the canned goods. Canned goods, self-explanatory. As long as they're not puffy or anything like that, they'll last for many years in the container. Almost everything has an expiration date, obviously. Try to go by that, but even then, usually 6 months to a year after the expiration date, you really either must use them or go ahead and discard them. Depends upon what your preference is there. Now here, just looking at the can, you can see it's all okay. No puffiness, no protrusions, no leakage, no serious dents, and even cans that are dented are still good. You have to use your own judgment on that. So when you go to store things up, family comes over, neighbor comes over, you go to head off to the woods for hiking or camping. You don't want to get one of these fancy containers you get that are commercially made and tug that along. What you do, container like this, if it's full of sugar or beans, you grab that, throw that in your supplies. Always mark everything. Use paper tape, magic marker, or that's a name brand, but you use whatever marker you want. And you put down what it is and the date that you put it in there. Now, obviously, this is a clear container. You can pretty much see what that is. That's lentils. Now, there are a lot of food stuff, beans, powders, things of this nature, that require a darker container. So you just get a darker container, darker plastic, wash that out. Like I said, hot water, shake it up, put it over there to dry and everything, and you can put it in there. That will protect your food a little bit better, just simply because it prevents the light from getting into it, discoloring the food, causing excessive heat. Store everything in a cool, dry, dark area. Obviously in a cabinet, you close the doors, it's going to be dark. It's really easy. Store up your grains, your foodstuffs, and if you are in a survival situation, if things do go bad, if you do got to take off, or you have to what's called bug in, stay in, you have to have water to cook them. You have to have a heating source, a cooking source, so you have to think about all these things. But food storage containers, this one here used to have cranberry juice in it. We kept that. This one here used to have tea in it. We kept that. Of course, we clean it out. Now, I don't put soap in there, shake it up with water and rinse it out. No, I don't do that. I don't go that far because it's too much of a chance of leaving some of that contamination in there. So you just finish this, been in the refrigerator, you finish the last little bit, go immediately over to the sink, turn the hot water on, you let it get real hot, put it in there, shake it up, do it 2 or 3 times, get it clean, put it in there to dry, you're good to go. These are strong and they will last a long time, suits its purpose. pretty obvious, pinto beans in this one. So again, you need to help someone out. You can give them, they need sugar, give them a liter of sugar. They need rice, give them a liter of rice. It's really easy. Something like this, a liter of rice, feed a family of 4 for a week. That's not too bad. And when you cap these, put the cap back on, put it on there tight. Just hand tight, don't over tighten it and strip the threads. Put some duct tape on there then. Duct tape around there. Sometimes the duct tape comes off. Just put it back on there and keep it there. That's all you need to do. You don't need to invest a lot of money, but if you want to and you have the money, well, you can get really elaborate on things. That's how you do it. Food storage containers. Look at them. A variety from teas to soda pop containers to whatever it is you can think of. You normally buy food in. That can help you build up your survival food storage network if you want. Keep some here at the house, keep some place at your bug out location, keep some place over at someone else's house, whatever the situation is that you've got going. Place where you may be able to go, keep it for camping or whatever. It's always available. It's in unique containers. Now let me show you something else. Dig out in here a little bit. Now they have these 4-quart containers on sale at a local discount store. Food grade, look at that marking right there. Triangle. It's food grade. All this here is food grade for $2 a piece. Look at that. For $2 a piece, it's PBA free. It's a good deal. I got a bunch of those. You can store whatever in there, grains or beans. It's up to you. So here you go. Save money, get busy, store. Bad times are coming. And even if they don't come, hey, you got a nice little supply to help out. This is your insurance policy. Keep building on it. I don't want to show you the massive stuff we've got. We'll just stay with this one. Thank you for watching.